Okay, we're both testing a BC24, which is capable of roasting 24 pounds per roast and up to 100 plus pounds an hour. If you can see, we have a really low gas setting. We're doing 12 pounds of Mexican organic. The turnaround was in about a minute and a half. I'm going to go ahead and bump up the gas a little bit to increase the rate of rise because I had it pretty low there. This roaster has 32 burners, so it's got a lot of power, so you got to keep that in mind. I've got the airflow set at about 4. The drum speed is about 6.5, and in a minute I'll show you the way it's turning the drum, which is at a nice 45-degree angle. So I started off kind of slow. I'm going to go ahead and bump it up. This is the first roast, so the machine wasn't extremely hot. I'm going to bump it up to 2 kPa. We're at 4 minutes 12 seconds, 274 on the bean temperature and 330 on the hot air. So here we are. We just ended the drying phase right at about 6 minutes. We're going into the mallard or browning phase. Our rate of rise is pretty good, 347 at 6.5 minutes. We'll probably go into first crack at this rate at under 8 minutes. I'm going to bring it over to the viewing window in a minute. Actually going into first crack at 7.5 minutes, 375 degrees. I'm going to bump down the kPa, and I'm going to bring it over to the viewing window. Hopefully you can see, turn the light on. We got a light brown. Seems to be a decent amount of chaff in this, so I'm going to bump up the airflow to about 6 3/4. We're at 8 minutes 10 seconds, 393 degrees on the bean, and 432 on the hot air. So I'm going to bump it down to about 3/4 of a kPa. We're at 400 degrees, 8.5 minutes. Airflow at 6.5. Okay, here we are. We're going into a fast first crack. I'm cutting the gas because the rate of rise is really fast. Getting ready to drop the beans, 9 minutes, 15 seconds. And we got a real nice full city plus going into second crack there.